is Eli Ganim and welcome to EG Jewel Lapidary. Today I'm going to talk about the soldering, uh, soldering sheets that I'm using. I use hard, medium, and easy like everybody else. The problem with that is when I start working with them and I'm using all three, all of a sudden I lose some of them or they fall off on the soldering table, and then I don't know what is what, and I end up putting them all in the garbage because I don't want to mix easy with hard and medium. So what I did is I colored code the sheets. So as you could see, this is the easy, and it's basically green. So the color green is for the easy. The medium, I made it red here, and the hard is black. So now I know when I cut them, the little pieces of solder, they always have on one side, they have that color. So I know where they go. So if I find them, I put them back into the container. Same thing with the containers. I have they're all color coded. So that's the easy green, the hard is black, and the medium is red. So I can always know where they are. Now, to cut them, there's different ways you could cut them and make those little pieces of solder at different sizes that you need. Now, I use the shears, pretty shears, and I also use the flat cutters. Now, one way to do it is like you see here, where you go in and you cut all along the top. So you cut them down, and then you go in with the shears and you cut them all up same size. So the only problem with that if I do that, they're going to go all over the place. So I'll have a little bucket here. This is actually a plastic drawer that I use, and what I'll do is I just put them inside to make sure that they will not go anywhere, but they're going to stay inside. So when I go like this, I'm actually cutting all of them, and as you could see, they're all down here. Let me show you all. If you can see that, you probably could see it. Anyway, so they're all here, and I didn't lose any. And once I'm done with it, all I have to do just put them in the container that I have. Now this is one way of doing it. The other way, now what I do is, let's say I'll cut usually about 1 millimeter in width. So what I do, I have my vernier, mark it up 1 millimeter, go scratch it in the back, and I go in and I just use my shears and just cut it right out. Here it is. So now I got one piece that's roughly 1 millimeter thick or wide, and it is all colored black on one side. Now to cut them all the same size, I use washers. And that's the reason I did the video. Somebody asks, okay, how do you do it? Can you show me how? And that's the reason I'm doing it. So you get the washers are different thickness. So you get, this is quite thick, the other one is a little bit smaller, and this is the same. But if you need higher size, you could add washers together to get different sizes. Usually with solder, I don't want them too big, so I need them all about the same size. Now I make different sizes anyway, just in case what I'm soldering. So for this one here, I use my flush cutter. Okay, here we are. So we got the washers, and we got the flush cutter. So the flush cutter, just put it right on the top of the washer. All you have to do is feed in your strip. Just make it flat here. Just feed it in, and you just keep cutting. And they're all going to be the same size. Not only that, they're all going to stay inside the washer, so you're not going to lose them while cutting. So if you need different size, so this here is all one size, and you could see them there? Yeah, I think you can see them. So they're all one size here. If I need a bigger one, I can add two of them together. So I put in two washers, but for me this is too long. Anyway, I'm going to cut it just to show you. So you go in and you cut. Here you go, and you get two long pieces right here. They're all the same size. Anyway, so this is the easy way to do the solder sheet. So the main idea is to color it so you know what it is. So you never lose them. If you have one that flew away to the side, which usually happen, you can always take it and put it back, and you know what it is, whether it's medium or hard or easy that you need. And for different sizes, you just add washers, because then you increase the length of the wire. And usually I use wire to cut. So I hope this will help you out, and thank you for watching.